bedandbreakfastcoach.com, which is an online coaching and mentoring company that helps small independent hospitality businesses like B&Bs, guest houses, inns and boutique hotels to make more money, have more fun, pay less commissions to online travel agents and have a better experience of their own hospitality businesses. Yeah, technology plays a huge role for my clients. We use it mainly to, we have a framework that I developed myself. I ran a B&B myself for 17 years in the Champagne region of France. And I grew it to making 100,000 euros in 2 seasons with no listings with any online travel agents. And I did that through developing and following a process. So there are 4 elements to this process. The first one is to establish who you welcome and why they would choose you, and then direct your messaging towards those people. So it's not about taking anybody and everybody, it's about using the social media platforms and your website to convey a specific message to a specific group of people. That's the first element. The second element is delivering on the online promise at the property every time, so you're providing a 5-star guest experience. So that includes having a team around you, it includes having your finances in order, and it includes looking after yourself as a professional host as well. And the third element of the 4-part system is where technology really comes in, because we help clients to install 3 essential business systems into their business based around a customer relationship management system. So the first system is knowing how to attract new guests to your business by producing a core piece of content that they can only get if they enter their details. So there's data capture through technology, through the CRM system. The second system that we have our clients install is an upselling system, and this is really a relationship building system, also based inside the CRM system. So we get insights in what they like to buy, because people always like to buy more, and we must give them the opportunity of buying more. No one likes to be sold to, but people love to buy. So we always want to give guests another reason to buy something from us. Once they've done the transaction, through hopefully an online reservation system, which is crucial as well, linked to channels if you're using them. Your online reservation is your transactional technology. Your CRM system is your relationship building and your emotional part of the puzzle in terms of technology. So we use the technology to build emotional connections with our guests. And the third system that we use technology for, around the CRM system as well, is to create juicy, mouth-watering offers so that guests will come back, and we have a process around this as well, and it's so much fun to do. So technology is very important, an online reservation system of course, channel manager of course if you're using the channels, the online travel agents, a website, a good functioning website that is a good sales tool for you. Google reviews is very important on your website, lots of technology. But the human aspect is always the connection human to human, using technology in the background as your tool, like the engine of your business that drives everything forwards for you and for your guests. Over the next 6 to 12 months, you say? Okay. So what I've seen with my clients and in my community online is that during the pandemic, we were separated from each other as humans. And so that the connection that we used to have with the communities, with family, with friends, has been severed a little bit. And so now people are craving connection to get that back. And of course, it's not always been possible to do that because of, different political views and, medical views and stuff like that. It's not always been possible. And so what I've seen in the marketplace with my clients is that guests are really looking for hosts to step up and lean in to the intimate relational experience that small independent hospitality businesses provide. With hotels, it's different. With larger hotels, it's a different story. That's not my area of expertise. But with the small independent hospitality businesses, they have the capability, using technology as their baseline, to really lean in and offer a more intimate and relational connection with their guests. And I think that's what's needed right now. I see it, I hear it from my clients, and I hear it from guests as well, is that people are looking for trust, because trust has been destroyed on so many levels in so many areas of our society. So they're looking to build trust with people that they want to meet, they want to interact with, and to establish that emotional connection, so that the safety, the perceived safety, which has been really pulled out from under our feet, is restored.